Good morning, sir.
Pacho, say, Awurade adom bibia e boko de.
Awurade adom boko.
Yeda Yesu ase. Na we dey ba ose anope anya bone ni ebusa se. Na me aduma kwesi ada kotokonias e dey boni. Na baba ya nso yenim se ye tumu. Na nsia na kotoko bebo ba ku bi wo ho school for no so di agro ho kama. Facility nankasa with regards to a playing surface no it is saying are you ready for the game and I say juma kakra akawa eseye
Let us make sure we see for. No cre. America training na you close to ye. And see let us Kotoko if he ha kope venue. Nyame adom ye see ewie no. Na o share GS calendar mo. Na time is a some bomilo game. Into a mobile any omudin sawo so. Na omunya Thursday no mo be share match ne de. Milo game match ne de. Omu hu se pitch no ye fine. Na ye kama. But a natural grass. It's natural grass ne de. Yana ewo defect. As and when I will use no, definitely you see some defect on the pitch. Into share estate managers I with management, you know, omo budget for it and omo the maintenance schedule and so at so. Into matches, you know, omo bought 6 matches and a day omo bought more than 20 matches on the pitch. So the fact today definitely has some. But Friday no movie ya so no mo de shisheye no egu so nti omugu so but bear in mind say we are in a dry season and so it's you end to talk the free but maintenance of the fish no whether dry season rain season say pitch workers na anya technical they be ubenya effect and if you don't have enough fun and so ubenya challenges it's the maintenance of the grass no yana enye easy it needs a lot of attention at the same time money it's nyame adom baba yara ye gusua ye di eduma said e be ya Sunday Kotoko betimi abe host a match last week Sunday no was it last 2 weeks Kotoko a boy omo boy na supporters no kasa
supporters the crown tree adwim omo raise concerns about the quality of the pitch
omo ref say matches na enkwada na boy no and I'm saying natural grass there will be a defect omo consider and ye jitum there will be a defect say astro test there and no about 200 matches a day defect no who that much
Mr. Pat mamu say
but you will come and see yes so yeah arrangement for that yeah arrangement for that see any day you go so but no Sunday no near bibia ya kama ombetimi abo match bibia nsi kwan.
Now, how about one more? Criticizing NSA ni say facility a mudiska rema mosa amana sini dademu. Why do you allow for 20 games to be played in a day on the same pitch?
You see, it's a Milo game, and NSA your core mandate. ASA be generative sport. NSA a for sports. And see, Osho Monso calendar national. That time na address as homo game. Sika kum ya yevi as a somo bebo. And no one tina ye maintenance plan editor or ye prepare sa schedule no. Ya to say come what me because him say definitely a beba so. And a basso so the defect beba. And at that time no omo qualify and the omo bo pitching so omo koko other places enable. And for Nkwadano to also see say sports is a creative event. I just want to get involved. Sometimes you have to give in. to motivate the children. And also so that time not so na if for scout for also so bar around every selected players. No? So you see, it's an opportunity you give to a whole, not only the schools, but mine also so training Korani we are, and also so mine also so benefit if free. So you can always don't look at one side. As I say, we consider Sani money, and I will give you in a more. It's me better born. And not only a consider I allow it's the near maintenance plan at the auto say. Even as a winner or more bono, defect and a member. But yes, so near ye to my Kaka was so Sunday no more buying. Yeah, yes, word from Friday to Sunday.
Right.
And at times they do, baby, I am here time. So looking at where we left until now, we have commenced maintenance worker. Yes, so good to more yes, word man. To come Sunday, maybe definitely on and society, our patient. So, the name Yabua Paye because all share back for benefit. Or had the benefiter, nation, any majority, Ebinia. So, it will not a bua, then you consider it. And this idea, a fan baby, no, because all more, so you are denying them. So, and it won't be the best for the GES event.
Thank you very much for your submission. Nyankopon shaw. Yeda se se wetima cheche nsemu kama mai. Nyamin shaw pa.
Me so me da se but ma me fa sa kwanya we so. Ene we tie for enkasa se edu se ya eye category A matches nti ya maye we se security no ebe bifu up. And she say omo she say beto to akwan. And na say so are protecting life and property. It's next she say bi omo de beto akwan mu bi omo ni so. And na mo fa sharp object bi aso so she omo ho mass stadium. Na omo ba India numbers and the support Kotoko. However said chance bi ba na bi a woni bi argument. In the history behind has and Kotoko my refi argument yen fan say yetim o hwe na ye hita taso yen taso na ye de yen support your team na yen support your team with the hope say come out me the win say amasa so enye bufu enye ntokwa yen koboko because life is most important thing to us and to omwan to say the buy no ye be kosa aside that so mobile so ye be detaining cleaners, I'm mani washrooms, no mestre, omu yusua, omu bear in mind. They say as when they are using, the next person will also come and use. It is if there is any challenge, omu cleaner no enya way, ni putting in the right shape.
With this fantastic arrangement, mube just for Kotoko has and I say beyond that. I know. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. It's fine. It's okay. That's fine. Is it?
Because of the nature of the match, the baby gate washrooms and the bemo so with the hope so they will work and work well. So once they know that they are getting allowance, they will also commit themselves well. And until almost every and the arrangement is there for all matches. Depending, we can keep them and then motivate them. Osha last match here boy Sunday day na Kotoko day boy and future stars NSA share and do 500 cities. And see how much can you even use to cater for maintenance on the pitch and allowance to the cleaners and the other staff. Or how and a different institution. So as and when we are going looking at the nature of the event. You better how you basically keep washrooms and the workers and or how and so emre ubia. That's it.
Fantastic. Now, Batman Co. Mibusa said, Anano new chairman, said Panwa was say. Sabre na yedi stadium no man for the bo sorokuni party ni jams na sefo no atwam yesu enim said ways NSA generates funds for the activities without government subventions is to rent out the facility for other purposes than sports. December mudu stadium no be rent ana
Me kre so you league no ne other sporting events na ye but NSA no ya nye juma mpem faso ya na mostly no ya say ejuma na ya an event no ye host ni betimi enye sika to maintain entinka December no kasa event ni ebetwetwam a eboaye ma yekom ehenhan alongside so in the December na eno bi so na ke betimi dia motivate staff no a omo kofi akodi Christmas ni afi enam issues are on the pitch ninti enya dia ye the pitch no ma for any event. However, ye wo other avenues wo in case it's an event but we so host event that's I just say no more. If some pay no more our doors are open but almost that pitch now there is out. Once it's out the staff will suffer because we are all losing. So we are all losing at the extra burden and every edumano. But on the whole so and the majority no prefer say young farmer sacrifice na staff obey. You buy anything, you buy any sa in December. I don't think so Obia be at the park and the mark for any event. It's out.
That's it. Nyamisha, thanks very much for your explanation. Yeah, that's it.
Welcome. Thank you.
Right. 89.7 is 20 minutes after 11 on the Sports Park on 89.7.